Talia. Nice. One of those dreams, huh?
No, it wasn't.
No, it totally wasn't.
You're not Michael Bay.
Bay with an E.
Am I being punked? Ashton? Beebs?
Is everything all right?
My mom is arranging a marriage.
Well, you know, old school does work. Maybe it's just a date.
I don't know how to put this. I have a girlfriend.
That is so hilarious. You're crushing on my boy.
Doesn't matter. She's not Indian, and my mother would flip out.
You're getting every year uglier and darker. No man will like you.
Oh my God! She scheduled me to dance classes so I can dance at the wedding.
I'm just gonna throw this out there. I am not a terrorist.
You collect comic books and live at home.
Mom!
I know about your hippity hop music.